Hey everyone, I'm Diksha Arora, your interview coach, and welcome back to my channel. Are you ready to discover careers where you can demand up to 1.4 million per year? Today we are diving into the 5 most in-demand careers of 2024, and I will be sharing some amazing free courses to help you get started. We will cover the scope of each career, the average pay scale, and the eligibility criteria so you can know exactly what you need to succeed. So whether you're a fresh graduate or a working professional, or someone looking to make a career switch, this video is packed with valuable information just for you. So grab a pen and a paper and let's get started. First we have in the list is Artificial Intelligence Engineer. The scope of AI engineer in India and overseas is broad and growing rapidly. There is a high demand for skilled professionals in this field due to emergence of AI-based companies and the increasing amount of data available for analysis. AI engineers must have a deep understanding of related fields such as mathematics, computer science, linguistics, neural networks, and machine learning. They must also be skilled in coding languages such as Python, Java, and C++ in order to implement their algorithms. Moreover, the eligibility criteria is that you require a bachelor's degree in computer science, mathematics, engineering, or a related field. The average pay scale of AI engineers in India varies depending on the experience and the skill set of the individual. Generally, AI engineers with 0 to 2 years of experience can expect an average salary of 4.5 lakhs per annum, while those with 5 to 9 years of experience can expect to make around 9 lakhs per annum. Senior AI engineers with 10 plus years of experience can command a salary up to 25 lakhs per annum. AI Engineering Professional Certificate by IBM is a great free resource. In this course, you will learn how to provide business insights from big data using machine learning and deep learning techniques. It's an intermediate level course with an average rating of 4.5. Second, we have in the list is AR developer. To become an AR developer, you must have strong coding skills, a deep understanding of the latest technologies used for augmented reality development, and a passion for creating immersive experiences. You should also have a creative eye for designing engaging content and the ability to solve complex problems. The average salary of an AR developer in India ranges from 4 lakh to 7 lakhs per annum depending on your experience, skill set, and location. However, experienced AR developers with a higher skill set may command salaries up to 10 lakhs or even higher. Companies are also willing to pay a premium for specialized skill sets and experience in specific industries such as retail, automotive, aviation, architecture, healthcare, etc. Companies offering AR development roles are located all across the country and the competition for these roles is high. Talking about the eligibility criteria, bachelor's degree in computer science, engineering, or related field with experience in developing and managing augmented reality applications is something that you require. If you're interested in this field, Meta AR Developer by Coursera is a great free course available on Coursera that will help you prepare for a career as an AR developer. In this program, you will advance your software development skills with latest augmented reality concepts, tools, and technologies. The course is of intermediate level with an average rating of 4.6. Third we have in the list is data scientist. Data science has become one of the most sought after skills in today's job market. To become a successful data scientist, one should have a strong foundation in mathematics, programming, software engineering, databases, statistical analysis, and visualization. They should also possess strong technical skills in areas such as machine learning, natural language processes, data mining, and big data. On top of this, they should have an analytical mindset and an ability to solve complex problems. Additionally, they should have excellent communication and presentation skills. The average salary of a data scientist in India varies significantly depending on the job role and the experience. According to the Glassdoor, the median salary for a data scientist in India is more than 6 lakhs per annum. However, salaries can range from 3,35,000 to 1.45 million per year for highly experienced professionals. Talking about the eligibility criteria, bachelor's degree in statistics, computer science, or related field with experience in data analytics and visualization techniques is something that you require. And here are 2 great free courses that will help you kickstart your career in this field. Next we have in the list is cybersecurity analyst. A cybersecurity analyst needs to have strong critical thinking, problem-solving skills, and analytical skills in order to identify and tackle potential security threats. They must also have a deep understanding of computer networks, IT systems, and software while being well versed in encryption methods and cybersecurity protocols. Additionally, they should possess strong communication and interpersonal abilities in order to work effectively with colleagues and clients. The average salary for a cybersecurity analyst in India is 4,50,000 per year. Salaries can vary based on experience, skills, and location. The highest salary for cybersecurity analysts in India can reach upwards of 11 lakhs per year. Professionals with several years of experience and specialized skills can command even higher salaries. Additionally, employers often provide additional benefits such as medical insurance, performance bonuses, and other incentives to attract and retain the best cybersecurity analysts. Talking about the eligibility criteria, bachelor's degree in computer science, IT, or a related field with experience in security system is something that you require. Cybersecurity Professional Certificate by Google is a great free resource. In this certificate program, you will learn in-demand skills at your own pace. No degree or experience is required to enroll for this program. Last we have in the list is Digital Marketing Strategist. The key skills required to be a successful digital marketing strategist include knowledge of the principles of digital marketing strategy, including SEO, content marketing, display advertising, SEM, and email marketing, experience in optimizing web pages for higher search engine rankings, understanding of different web analytic tools and their uses, ability to interpret customer data to identify trends and insights, excellent communication skills, and interpersonal skills. Well, in India, the average salary for a digital marketing strategist is around 6 lakhs per annum. The highest salary can range up to 10 lakhs per annum depending on the experience and expertise of the professional. Moreover, the salary of a digital marketing strategist is also dependent on the industry they work in and various other factors such as location, company size, etc. With the increasing demand for digital marketing professionals, salaries are expected to increase in the coming years. Talking about the eligibility criteria, bachelor's degree in marketing, communications, or a related field with experience in developing and managing digital campaigns is something that you require. Digital Marketing Strategy and Planning Specialization by Digital Marketing Institute is a great free course that will help you to develop the right skills like e-commerce strategy, SEM, digital channel planning, social media and email marketing strategy, and much more to kickstart your career in this field. That's it for today. I hope you found this video helpful and you're excited to explore these in-demand careers. Remember, the right skills can open up a world of opportunities, and these free courses are a fantastic way to get started. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and hit that subscribe button for more career tips and insights. Also, let me know in the comments which career you are most interested in and if there are any other topics you would like me to cover. Until next time, stay motivated, keep learning, and go land your dream job. Bye-bye, take care, and keep following your interview coach Diksha Arora for more such useful content.